an implementing part in this project. Otherwise, this project is funded by UCC, Uganda Communications Commission, and this project is the youth, skilling the youth in information, communication, and information technologies and multimedia. Basically, this workshop has been running from different regions in Uganda, and the northern region, we have been in parts of Chitugum, Golo, Padel, and then Lira. Okay, and then with this workshop, we intend to skill Uganda. The UCC aims to skill youths in multimedia, basically teaching them the right way of using their phones. And in this workshop, we are trying to teach youth that you can make money from just your smartphone. You can make money from the content you make. Instead of using the smartphones or misusing the smartphones, you can actually use them to do good. Basically, that's what this workshop is all about. It's going to be running from Monday to Friday, and it's going to be a process from the content creation to production to editing to distribution of their content, which platforms they have at hand, and how also to monetize this content. Basically, that's what this workshop is all about. UCC discovered that most youths in Uganda today are misusing their devices. They are misusing the smartphones. They are misusing the internet. And such projects are intentionally executed in order to help the youths understand the other way of using these devices. Instead of you using them, instead of the youth using them, for bad, how good or how well could they use them? Basically, that's what this project is all about.
Okay. If you say misusing, what are they using these gadgets for exactly?
Youths are using the gadgets for baiting, for watching porn, for I don't know if that word should be used, but they are misusing it. They are also using it. Most times they use it to play politics games, okay? And they would use this to. We are going in a political election time, okay? And you will find that most youths are doing content around politics, content around, but in a certain way, it's not helping them. They are not earning out of it. Now we are saying, for whatever content you are making, you can actually earn from it. And this is the way you can go. This is how well you can do it. That's basically what we are teaching them.
Ma me creating content and to air con you no chente pol caro kata online wa no jo ken ma ti chim gi me yet kada fa lu nya nga era wan ti da bolle pe joma cha ken ti ku chim ko me yet lo tela me yet lo wete gi kino me lo ko je mo ra ya to UCC so this 21 ni vulu to no yo meti chim gi yo ma benefit ngen ke benefit community ma ga ye man piane community ta chen beng pat te kwar ti ma pat anen dan ma dwa ta wa ku ye ping ngeu te kwar ti la chen che chao tin ni lera training ke ta garang dano mia chen ma ma be wa gana ma butu ma be chi am beach.
I am so glad to be here today because we are going to learn a lot of things. One of it is creating your own content, which I didn't actually know. I could also do that for myself because I thought I can never be creative. But the topic we learned today, everything I've learned today about creating the contents, I have a feeling that with all of us actually, in our different categories, we can create content. So at the end of the day, today actually we have come up with contents which I thought I couldn't do it, and I'm so happy to be here today because I'm learning a lot from different individuals and even our trainers.
Bara andong anabel content creator. Content creator bero ngata me kelo yugi nora me joro mo mara mo yai di wie. So bara anabel aware. Nyang anaware rapping. So mi o bara cha mor takide na anaware wa ka jote no ni wera. Ti ogamo yid joche nyurni people are now believing in my content. Me na subscribers. I made the YouTube channels na no jotia wo jota me subscribers ye na followers na no te made no jotia wo te mara ngwa me na te wo te tem. So mamio anti a winyo luone tapa no ni gin challe ko de fel la wana to ye mi angeo ko ne akade do ngeo ramo at least ramo konya kitoro mi aya jalo shawa na bini.
Okay.
Ko de pega ngwa me tinu ni any content creation.
So a content creation kai na buy to do bor wakan cha okana. Peka jonwo yore pola. So about men na man no yelo joy dunga kana takalo. No cha moro dano ticket content na ber. And the ticket content na ber. No penge yora ngo me kere YouTube nyo social media platforms chat any chat gamu chen kere social media platform dunga jotia pole neno jotia pole bare chama kai wore social media and then YouTube channels ajo ti jo kana me YouTube gi ti maber TikTok gi ti maber but gin te go kero ka kero for fun pera ngi gin jo cholo jo ya tena so me gin na jona ti mi to mi jo ngi mi ti jam mi jo ngi yore mena me yini ramo chako nungu chen ne kom skits ni nyo videos ni mare mama kai bolo no ni followers mi tuna ram kwena nyo views tuna ram kwena watch hours tuna ram kwena mi te chako gamu chen so gin na jore ti apunyi jo.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.